Larga! Looking for the leader, we've got Barbie, the favorite. Didn't waste time at the break. My Bilin in second. Umbrella Girl running in third. Boss Bond is done on the inside fourth alongside with Batong Silyar. Golden You comes next. Then Aquarius, Patricia's Dream second last. And check! Mia Moore is running up the tail of the Pilas. They pass the last 500. Maybelline takes the lead from Barbie. Now two runners in a battle royale. Barbie's racing on the outside. Maybelline down on the inside. Maybelline and Barbie keep on fighting it out for the lead. 3 and 50 to travel. Barbie's racing on the outside. The one with a white face. This time by about 2 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Umbrella Girl. Maybelline opted to run on the outside. Barbie followed by Umbrella Girl. Batong Silyar rushing up on the outside. And finally, Jackie Dalwil Dubidu Tagar on Batong Silyar.